Hey everyone, this is Colin, and in this video I'm partnering with Mabett to unbox, install, and review their rear cap spoiler on a 2025 Ford Maverick. This process is the same for 2022 models and upwards. Ford sells their own version of the rear cap spoiler, but it's between $200 and $250. The Mabett one is $200 before sales, and then if you use coupon code Colin on their official website, you can get an additional 10% off. It's potentially half to a third of the cost of the Ford Maverick one. But for that cost savings, is this an inferior product or does it hold up? Stay tuned to find out. This is the box that it came in, so you guys have a reference of the box dimensions. I already cut the tape, and inside we have the installation manual. There's a piece of foam. There's a adhesion promoter. There's another adhesion promoter. And then the spoiler itself, that's secured by plastic and foam to prevent it from getting damaged. That was everything inside the box. Looking closer, this is the spoiler itself. This is the top. This is the back, the side, and the bottom. On the bottom, it looks like there's double-sided tape. The back, side, and top. And it's made of plastic. Here's the instructions. It comes with the spoiler, foam padding, 2 adhesion promoters. First step is to align the spoiler to clean the surface. Apply this foam strip to the center, peel off the rest of the double-sided tape, align the spoiler and attach it, and then press firmly into place. Do not wash the car for 48 hours after installation. We're gonna test fit the spoiler, making sure everything lines up. I've already cleaned the car and wiped it down with a microfiber cloth. The next step is to apply the adhesion promoter. Just gonna wipe down the entire surface with it. Looking at the back of the spoiler, there's an outline of a rectangle. I'm going to take this foam pad, pull this backing off, and then apply it to the back center of the spoiler, just like that. Now I'm going to pull the double-sided tape off the back of the spoiler. I pulled the backing off of the double-sided tape. There was a guy on the forum that said that this adhesive wasn't strong enough, and when they're going 90 miles per hour on the freeway, the spoiler started flapping. First of all, you shouldn't be going 90 miles per hour, and secondly, this shouldn't be coming off. So some users recommended adding additional 3M double-sided tape or using a sealant or caulking to secure this on into place. I'm going to install this as is and see how well it does on the freeway. I pulled off the double-sided tape and I'm going to line it up. Making sure that it's aligned on both ends. And then I'm going to start pressing from the middle, working my way outwards. This material has a somewhat smooth matte finish to it. You can sand it and prime and paint it. So if you guys want to do that so that it matches the color of your vehicle, you're welcome to do that. And that's it. The spoiler is installed. I'll show you some close-up footage of the install. This is the foam piece that we installed. It's pushing against the third brake light. I tried to keep it flush with the roof. Here's the other side. Here's the corner. And then the roof. And the other corner. Moving on to the review, what I like most about this product is that it makes the truck look more aggressive. I don't think it provides any functional benefit like downforce or increased MPG. It just looks nice in my opinion. The build quality also seems very good. It's a hard plastic. I saw on Amazon that there's another version that is more flexible for around $30 and $40. Some people would complain that it would come warped in the mail, so this one definitely is a lot more solid. It was packed well and it fit. There weren't any edges that needed to be sanded. It has a smooth satin matte texture that matches the trim on the roof, but it does not match the plastic or the bumpers on the Maverick because these are more textured. You can also sand and paint this to match your roof color, but I chose to leave it black because I wanted it to stand out from the body. I also drove it on the freeway for a day and I didn't have any issues with it flapping, but only time will tell how this double-sided tape will hold on. The installation was also very simple. Just clean the surface, use the prep pads that were provided, peel off the backing on the foam, apply it to the center, and then take off the double-sided tape and apply it onto the roof. Ford sells their own version for between $200 and $250, and this one is a lot cheaper. This one is $100, and then you can use my coupon code on their official website for another 10% off. So check out the description section below for the latest pricing if you're interested in ordering one of these products. So that's it for this review. Please like this video if you found it helpful. Feel free to leave questions or comments in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and take care.